Welcome to Taryn Cleans It All. Here's everything you ever wanted to know about dusting but never cared enough to ask. Dusting is one of those chores like the dishes in the laundry that just never seems to stop.
Dust isn't just one thing, it's a bunch of things. Dirt, fibers, yes, even dead skin. All microscopic byproducts of living life. And it's gonna settle on any surface it can find.
More than half of the dust inside your home comes in from outside. So a habit like keeping windows and doors closed is gonna help keep dust in check. But so will a simple habit like taking your shoes off at the door and investing in a good doormat. In terms of the dust that originates inside, regular grooming of humans and pets can help reduce dust in the air. So can regularly washing your linens and using an air purifier with a HEPA filter. Beyond that, there's not much you can do about dust besides clean it and clean it regularly. There's no wrong way to dust, but there are definitely ways to make it easier. And here's a tip: if you're allergy prone, you might find it more comfortable to wear a mask while you're dusting. When it comes to tools, you don't really need any specific type of duster. Big or small, flat or fluffy, it's all about your home and the tools you need to get your home clean. Some old school dusters just kind of end up moving dust around, but the newer ones have textures and static cling that's gonna hang on to dust and then let you wash it out in the laundry. No matter what tool you use, it's always a good idea to dust from top to bottom, since whatever dust you stir up is gonna settle on the lower surface. One good dusting tool is all you need to get the job done, but if you wanna level up, here are a couple of clever tricks you can try. To dust a ceiling fan, pull a pillowcase loosely over one of the blades, then close and drag the opening along the length of the blade. You'll collect all the dust inside the pillowcase. Repeat for each blade, then empty the pillowcase outside or into the trash and wash it like normal. If you're dusting something delicate, like a prized oil painting, a slice of fluffy bread will actually do a nice job of gently picking up the dust. You can also use a piece of bread to clean invisible glass shards from the floor when you accidentally break a glass. For air vents, window blinds, or other intricate pieces, try dusting with dusting gloves, which give you extra mobility for those details. If you don't have dusting gloves, you can pull a sock over your hand to the same effect. You probably notice dust on the surfaces and shelves around your home right away, but there are some other things you need to make sure you clean. TVs and computer screens love to attract dust because of the electric charge. Use a clean, dry microfiber cloth to wipe those down. There are also surfaces above your head, like the tops of door frames, picture frames, and even curtain rods that'll collect dust. Use a dusting glove or an extendable reach duster to get these areas. And finally, don't forget to dust your plants. Even a thin layer of grime is going to prevent them from getting the sunlight that they need. So just wipe down the leaves with a damp cloth and you'll make sure your plants stay happy and healthy. There's no magic spell that's going to make dust disappear forever, but with a smart routine and the right tricks, you can make it a lot less of a nuisance.